We good?
Yeah, good.
What's going on, peeps? Karl here, back with another episode, and just grabbed the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I've got my man Matty Mo on the lens right now. He's recording with his. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and see what this phone is all about. And of course, check out the brand new flagship from Huawei. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking my time. Oh, there it is out of the box. You can see Mate 20 Pro and taking this guy out. And the first thing that you'll probably notice is that matrix camera on the back. 40 megapixel main sensor, 20 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel telephoto.
Exactly.
Nailed it on the first time. So one of the new features coming to the Mate 20 Pro is the fingerprint sensor onto the actual display. So we're doing this setup right now, and you can see just pressing in the middle of the screen. Successful, fingerprint 1 enrolled, we're good. So as this guy is booting up, we will do an unboxing, as that is what we are here for. We of course have some user manuals inside, and of course charging brick and USB-C to USB cable and the good old charging brick. So cool little thing that I thought was awesome, this guy actually charges 70% in 30 minutes, and maybe the best thing, I think this guy is booted up. Let's bring up the iPhone because we can actually charge this guy. In addition to having a 4200 milliamp hour battery, we can do, I think, the coolest thing. It is wireless reverse charging. That is just in settings. Let's click that on, and technically my iPhone right now, which is at 50-ish%, flip this guy around, iPhone is going on top. Oh, Matt, are you getting that? That iPhone is now charging. We're getting a charged iPhone, guys. So if you ever want, keep both devices in your pocket and you're golden. Hopefully no explosions going on. That would be a disaster. So the actual phone is booted up now. We've got a 6.4-inch OLED display. Beautiful. We've got a high screen to body ratio. My B-roll camera just stopped recording. I did not manage my camera well. In addition to the matrix camera on the back, we of course have a new redesigned selfie cam, 24 megapixels. We'll get a nice little selfie with Matt. Smile, Matt. And inside of that notch, we also have some 3D sensors. They showed some pretty cool AR stuff where you could actually scan a little panda teddy bear, so you can always have that little guy with you. Hopefully no naughty stuff going on with that. Matt, I'm looking at you, buddy. So that is essentially my quick and dirty unboxing of the Mate 20 Pro. This guy does pack some pretty decent silicone inside. It's got the Kirin 980. It also has 6 gigs of RAM, and I'll be doing my full, of course, comparisons, sample shots with this awesome camera, and of course, full review. So make sure you stay posted. And of course, big shout outs to Matt for being the most awesome cameraman, and he is recording currently on his Mate 20 Pro. So big shout outs. I will leave his link down below. And Matt, anything else to say?
I think my favorite feature is the whole wireless charging as well. Being able to charge someone else's smartphone is like gangster.
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 You're gonna become
like,
thug life
Yeah,
gangster.
your phone's dying. I got you.
I got you, yeah. You always have now a power bank, but it's now a phone in your pocket.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, guys, I will catch you guys hopefully back in Toronto for more coverage. We're here in London till tomorrow, but yeah, I'll catch you guys then. Peace.